was in college originally for nursing, and it didn't really work out. I wanted to find a career that would align with helping people. A lot of my friends at that point were doing social work, so I figured I'd give it a try, and I really loved what social work stood for, and that's how I was led to the career path of being a social worker. They actually came and talked to us at the hospital. I was working at Health Park at the time, so we had our pediatric population with Golisano Children's Hospital, so they wanted to make sure that we were aware of them for referrals. And I remember just hearing what Valerie's House did, and I wanted to get connected with a nonprofit. That was important to me. I did that in college, and I felt that this was a great opportunity. So I reached out, I met with someone on staff, and got signed up for a volunteer training, and then the rest is kind of history. I think it's just the children, and your group is different each time, and you're pouring into them, but they're also teaching you a lot as well. And just the community that we have here at Valerie's House is just unlike anything else that I've ever experienced. I think just over time, there's two kids that come to mind, and just seeing their growth in the group. There was one kid that started out that he did not want to be here. He was very angry, and he has just grown in group and been able to control those emotions and learn how to cope with those, and he is a role model to a lot of others in the group. The same for another group member. He started out freshman, and he's a senior now, and he's very much a leader in the group, and it's just really cool to see that growth with all of the kids kind of year after year and group after group. And when new kids start coming in, they can relate. Oh, I remember I didn't want to talk, or I was angry, and they can have that partnership with them and that mentorship with each other, which is really great to see. I definitely try to let others know about Valerie's House, and if they are interested in volunteering, one of our core ethical tenets is service. So just making sure that we're always giving back to the community. It can be hard as a social worker in different job roles, but giving back, and I feel like this is one way that I'm able to do that. I think it's the community. We're all here. We've all experienced a loss in some form, and every loss is different and everyone's path is different, but we're all here to support each other and just come together and support each other through our time together, and that's just really powerful to see.